This is Jeremiah with Sarkinen Plumbing, doing a sewer scope for the address of 5305 Arizona Drive in Vancouver, Washington. I am at approximately 55 feet. This puts me right about the sidewalk. This is after jetting, so now I can actually see what this is, and there is a very big clump of roots right here. I cannot get any further beyond it because my jetter nozzle gets stuck and the camera will not push through it. There's another curtain of roots, and now we're starting to go up a dive. There's another curtain. More roots, and now we're in ABS pipe. And there you go. Now we're on a flat. No, it's not. It just looked like it.
Did you mention what kind of pipe you think it is out there?
Not yet. Well, no, I said ABS, yeah. Which it is.
You're kind of further out.
Yeah. Alrighty, thank you.